We are EPS machinery supplier in Hangzhou, China. We offer kinds of EPS machines, EPS molds, 3D panel machines, sandwich panel machines, assistant facilities, and all kinds of EPS machine spare parts. We are specialized in EPS machinery design and turnkey project, and have helped many clients building EPS factories around the world, persisting to the principle of supplying good quality machines and Longwell services for our clients. We'll strive for high efficiency, passion, integrity to provide customers with superior products and services. Our professional engineers and sales always give you fast response for your inquiries and questions 7/24 hour. If you are interested in any of our products or would like any support from us about your factory, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to building Longwell and friendly business relationships with clients all over the world.